Slán means goodbye. Slán. You would often hear me say at the end of a video, slán go fóill or slán tamil. So both of those mean the same thing, and that is bye for now or see you soon. Slán go fóill or slán tamil. Slán abhaile means safe travels or safe home. Slán abhaile. Let's say there's two people involved and one person is staying and the other person is leaving. The person staying would say slán leat, slán leat, and the person leaving then would say slán agat, slán agat. So the person staying says slán leat, the person who is leaving says slán agat. The prepositions can be changed depending on who you're talking to. So for example, slán leat is to be used if you're referring to one person, but change it to live if it's more than one or a group of people. The same with agat. That's in relation to one person, but change it to aghuibh if it's more than one. Lá ma just means good day. Lá ma. And if you wanted to say good night, that would be oíche mhath. Oíche mhath. But what I want to do in this video is not just explain how to say goodbye. I want to share with you lots of useful phrases that can add more substance to the process of saying goodbye. For example, tá sé ag éirí déanach. It is getting late. Tá sé ag éirí déanach. Time ag dul abhaile. I'm going home. Time ag dul abhaile. So you could put that all together and then say slán leat or slán go fóill or whatever farewell message you'd like to say. So for example, tá sé ag éirí déanach. Time ag dul abhaile. Slán go fóill. So you can mix and match whatever way you want there, and it's a great way to add more structure and add more substance, and you can have more confidence then in terms of saying goodbye. Tá sé in am imeacht. It is time to leave. Tá sé in am imeacht. Caithfidh mé imeacht anois. I have to leave now. Caithfidh mé imeacht anois. Tá mé ag imeacht anois. I am leaving now. Tá mé ag imeacht anois. Feicfidh mé arís gan bhualadh tásúla agam. Bualadh tú a fheiceáil arís. I will see you again soon, I hope. It will be nice to see you again. Feicfidh mé arís gan bhualadh tásúla agam. Bualadh tú a fheiceáil arís. Bhí sé go maith bualadh leat. It was good to meet you. Bhí sé go maith bualadh leat. Bualadh deas agat. Have a nice day. Bualadh deas agat. And all together then. Bhí sé go maith bualadh leat. Bualadh deas agat. It was good to meet you. Have a nice day. And then you can add in whatever farewell message you want, whether it's slán or slán tamil or whatever suits the moment. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'd appreciate the support. And speaking of support, I want to say a big thank you to all my Patreon supporters so far, who you'll see listed on screen. Thank you. I really appreciate your contributions. So thank you for watching. Agus slán go fóill.